Welcome back to Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are going to jump right ahead to a task in TOLOKA Yandex called Evaluate Videos Relevance to a Dish. Of maximum earnings will be 16.87. Pay will be 10 cents USD per task. So let's go ahead and pull up the instructions. Is the video related to the given dish and any given locations? Now, please base on the main video. Ignore the ads if any. Related, you can tag it as related if the video includes a dish and takes part in the location. Example: this video discusses barbecue and includes restaurant or places in New York City. New York, the video description states barbecue and New York City, New York. Or the video tag includes barbecue and New York City, New York. For example, a vlog where a person visits a restaurant in the area that serves the dish, or reviews of a restaurant or a list of restaurants that serve the dish. Not related, the video does not discuss the dish or location. Um, Example will be the given dish is barbecue, city is New York, and state is New York, but the video discusses sushi and Houston, Texas. That is obvious, it isn't related. So, yes, if the video is clear and sharp and discusses the dish and the location in a helpful manner. A detailed video of barbecue at restaurant in New York City is going to be a good example. The video is not helpful and has poor image and or sound quality. Example, a low resolution video of different barbecue restaurants in New York City with poor sound quality. Let's close it out. Let's go ahead and start the training. All right, so Big Burger Challenge in Houston, Texas with Randy Santel, Record Man versus Food. Let's pull it up. Uh, Big Barbecue Burger, Houston, Texas. This is obviously related. And yes to that, let's click submit. Close it out. I really don't want to watch the video. So, Cupcakes Austin, call short cakes for your cupcakes in Austin. Austin will be in Texas. Uh, that's definitely a related video and a yes as well. Close it out. Moving on to the next. Is this the best barbecue in Nashville, Tennessee? Let's pull up the video here. Okay, definitely related, and it is yes for the location. So far, we are not getting any error messages. So, best barbecue Nashville, St. Louis, Kansas City Barbecue Tour. Definitely a yes. The video is okay. And yes, here. Let's see how it goes for this. Next one is Gordon Ramsay Burger, five-star Vegas restaurant. Let's see how that goes. Uh, Gordon Ramsay Burger, five stars Vegas restaurant. How's the video? I think it's quite blurry. Um, but it's related. Hamburg or in Las Vegas. Is this in Las Vegas? I think yes. Pont Hollywood. Yeah, it's yes to that. Close this out. Now we passed the score of 100, and again, the pay for, is 10 cents for per task. And that's it. I hope this video helps you out. Per task, it'll contain about one, two, three, four, five videos for you to watch. Again, my name is Ghost, the freelancer. I hope the video helped you out. Please do not forget to subscribe to our tutorial channel for more videos like this and hit that notification bell to, of course, get notified every time we upload a new video. We also have a Facebook group called it's Click Worker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. It is a prerequisite that you subscribe to the channel as well as answer the membership questions before we can approve your request. Thank you for watching and have a good day, guys. Bye for now.